Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now, if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now, Anand Rathi is a brokerage firm from India. Here, we present two stocks which they think will be wealth creators in the year 2018. Now, the list originally included three stocks, but the third one, which is Deepak Nitrite, has already met and exceeded its target. This is the reason why we are not presenting this same stock here. Please watch this video to know more. Also friends, if you think that this information is beneficial, please don't forget to share the video because it could also benefit people around you. First stock on the list is Jamna Auto Industries Limited, which is currently available at 75.50 and the target price here is 95. Now the code for the company is JAMNAAUTO. Now, Jamna Auto Industries Limited is engaged in providing automotive suspension solutions for commercial vehicles. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing and selling of parabolic and tapered leaf springs. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart, you would see that the company has created a lot of wealth for its shareholders by being in an uptrend. The market cap is 3008.40 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 2.58, translating into a price-to-earnings ratio of 29.26. Now this is largely in line with the industry PE of 29.18. The book value is 8.41, which translates into an expensive price to book ratio of 8.98. The debt to equity is 0.7226, whereas the return on equity is 0.3169. The dividend yield percent is 0.93, whereas the promoter holding here is average at 47.88. The 52-week high is 91.40, whereas the 52-week low is 35.81. Now, the reason why Anand Rathi thinks that this could be an outperformer going forward are Jamna Auto is the largest leaf spring manufacturer in India and the third largest globally in terms of installed capacity. Anand Rathi Financial Services expects the company's revenues to grow at 13% CAGR over the next 3 years owing to steep uptrend in the MHCV OEM segment. Now the second stock on the list is Dabur India Limited, and if you were to see, the price here is currently at 353.75. The target price here has been set at 400. The code for the company is DABUR. Now, Dabur India Limited is a fast-moving consumer goods, which is basically FMCG company. The company operates in various product categories such as hair care, oral care, health care, skin care, home care, and foods. Its business units include consumer care business, foods business, and international business. The company has been on a consistent uptrend, and a lot of wealth has also been created here. Now, the market cap is 62,313.79 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS is 5.59, translating into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 63.28. However, this is largely in line with the industry PE at 64.83. The book value is 20.77, translating into a very expensive price to book ratio of 17.03. And the debt to equity is 0.1860 and the return on equity is 0.2519. The dividend yield is low here at 0.64, whereas the promoter holding is good at 68.05. The 52-week high here is 368.60, whereas the 52-week low is 263.60. Now, according to Anand Rathi, with around 70% of its product range in Ayurveda, natural and herbals, Dabur is among the largest Ayurveda and natural healthcare companies. Factoring in the direct competition from Patanjali and Canon Distribution, the brokerage house believes that Dabur can still clock a CAGR of 12% in revenue and 16% earnings over FY17 to 20. This is the reason why Anand Rathi has recently upgraded Dabur to buy with a target price of Rs 400. Now friends, please don't treat any of these as stock recommendations. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today.